Yeah, this week, man, they said they're searching for act of kindness, so I figure as much as I go through and as much as I try to heal, I could have been outside trying to forecast something and find something. I feed my community when they hungry without them asking questions. Even when it was leading to all the devious stuff, I still took care of my community.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of things changed my life. My grandmother passed.
Mm-hmm.
I'm struggling in the life of my daughter. I don't want to be going back to negativity because what would she be without me being there? I just lost my motherfucking storage and shit. I've been homeless for like 6, 7 months. My granddad right here was put in a convalescent home, and at the end of the day, man, we made everything happen. And then as for going through what I'm going through, too hot ticket and stuff, and the opportunity that the Lord gave me to present myself, man, I could have been out here trying to find something or look for somebody or pay somebody to eat a meal from me.
Mm-hmm.
And it could look like I was forecasting a host for where I'm coming from, man. Connecticut, New Haven, which stands for never win, backwards. I've been mapped out and seemed like, damn, nothing ain't going right. Yo, I entered this contest, I ain't been sleeping. All I've been doing is thinking and thinking about numbers, how to be number one. Because at the end of the day, I know what I am. And when I get this offer and this chance to become what I could do, man, I'm coming to do what I could do. So I can help my community, and then I can heal my community like I'm the mayor. Then I can contain CT like the governor. Then I can heal the world like a Trump story, like a Kennedy story, like a Barack Obama story. You know what I'm saying? There's people like my grandfather. I just want to get up out of his way, man, because shit, whether it's good or bad, this is his comfort zone. And like I said, man, I could give a kindness act, but I could act for kindness. But where I came from, I pray to your highness, man, it's God. When my grandmother passed away, she told me, man, be in my daughter's life, and she can help me pursue to do whatever I need to do. And she got me if I can help my daughter, man. And Too High Ticket, DJ Outlet, Super Bowl, whoever I'm rapping for, here I'm coming. Cause yo, they giving me a chance like the flavor of love. And that's what it got. I'm gonna express my dream just to show my glory. From this pain, butter to success and glory. Yo, if a person don't walk my shoes, they don't know how hard it is, man, day to day, to have something and end up with nothing. And knowing that you could get something if you start doing something. But sometimes, my nigga, every job ain't the right job when I learned in life. But in life, man, sometimes you go up and sometimes you go down. Sometimes it's hard to get back up from when you came down. But that's because you're trying to change. Too High Ticket, all I'm asking, man, is you help me change people, places, and things. As for music, just put me there. I'll make it anywhere, anyhow, no matter the weather. I never change. And this week, man, like I said, act of kindness is right here, man. My grandfather, who came through the story, who know the struggle. When they try to put him in, this man fought for his life and gonna keep fighting for his life. And with that being said, with this music in this way, I'm gonna keep fighting like he did. So I'm gonna be a story that any black person or white person or Spanish or Dominican, whatever, anybody can listen to the story. It's like a big pop upon the L, stacks, chinks. RP to all of them, because that's all wrapped up to be me. Real talk. One.